go down to our slide hammers now. So 2 slide hammers, the mini slide hammer here, and then the larger slide hammer. Now, glue doesn't like to be shocked, so if I've got a nice sizable tab on the panel, central aluminium tab, you can look and go, okay, well, where's the adapters for these? Any of these tab track adapters will actually fit in, screw down. Okay, so you can use that now. There's little plastic washers on here, just make sure the washer is to the head of the bolt so that it sits inside the adapter. Okay, so if I'm sitting there now, this is a very aggressive tool, so wind this all the way down. I want to use this to do my glue pull. I've got a heavy metal to metal contact. This is going to create a shock on the tab, okay, which the glue doesn't necessarily like. The glue's all about flexibility, it wants to flex. So what we want to do is unwind this tension spring at the top. So you can unwind it as much or as little as you like. You can see now we're taking that metal snap out. I have to really hit it hard in order to get that snap. So what that's going to enable us to do, it's going to enable us to pull this tab nicely rather than snapping it off the panel. I'd say it is an aggressive tool, but used correctly, it's a very, very good tool, very powerful tool. You just haven't got to be whacking everything. With the other tools we have in the system, we're always looking for linear pulling, but sometimes you do need that little shock, and that's where this comes in. So if I move down to these tabs, a little 5mm dead center, this is our ice tab, it's polycarbonate, and I put this tab on a panel, put this slide hammer on and try to whack it. Well, it's like me giving you a small panel pin and a sledgehammer. The two they're not compatible, they don't go together. Yes, you probably could do something with it, but the chances are you're going to break something. So this mini slide hammer, it's a very, very light slide hammer, and it's designed specifically for our dead center tabs. It's just enough weight in there so we're not going to put excessive pressure into our tab, snapping the necks or creating damage on there or overwhelming the glue. So these are matched very much to our dead center tabs.